Hey guys, what's up? It's Pastor Caleb here. So I've had a couple of questions on some of my videos, which is awesome. And one of them in particular I thought was really good and could be super helpful. So today we're going to be talking about extra decorations that come with HYFI and where to find them. All right. So let's get into where to find these extra decorations. So for this one, you're actually not going to go to Ministry Grid. You're going to go to Lifeway's website. Okay, so you're going to go to lifeway.com, and then in the search bar, I just type in hi-fi, and then it pops up, at least on my end, it pops up the hi-fi page, and then you're going to scroll down. Obviously, you've got subscription and what it is, but then right here under shop, you've got these posters that match up with each of the themes for the months, which is really cool. So like September's is Real Talk. So if you click in here, um, it gives you the ability to download digital files and have posters that are themed and have the verse and even the main points, which is really, really cool. So, and they've got the preschoolers in there as well. So I thought that this was a really awesome tool or thing to have. So you can purchase those. I mean, $4, like that's not bad for really high quality digital materials. And then, you can go to Staples or Walgreens or however you get your stuff printed. That's where the cost is probably going to incur if you lucky enough to have a large format printer. Maybe your association or someplace in your state has it. But anyway, I just thought that that was a great question and really cool. So I wanted to show you how you get to these like bonus decorations that you can use to church up your space a little bit. So, all right, hope that these are helpful. Keep those comments coming and let me know if you have any other questions that we can tackle. See ya.